leaseholder.
No, my lords, I am completely one at with my lord, and whatever that has fallen from my lords, I truly considered that. I truly considered, and I would make sure that I would come up with this. But the only issue, my lords, the sole issue which has now that unleashed, my lords, all of a sudden, that my lord had raised this query, my lords. My lords, what would happen if my lord would held now that this order does not have a vested powers and in the right?
So I don't know, sir. Nullity, and if an order is nullity, it can be challenged. It can be considered in the collateral proceedings also.
Because
I was only so that's why, sir, I said that I will not touch the merits of that order.
Please.
Because that order has not been assailed and I cannot reopen that order.
Please.
Right? I can touch only if I come to a conclusion that it is without jurisdiction. And if it is found to be within jurisdiction, then whether it was rightly passed or wrongly passed cannot be touched by me. I am very much clear in my mind, sir. I cannot say that this finding is incorrect or that finding is incorrect because it has not been challenged. It is not the subject matter of the writ petition.
May I just ooze a confidence and say something?
Yeah, please, sir.
Because if my lord would held that as well, it would certainly have a lethal impact on
I don't know, sir.
On the petitioner.
Sir, I don't know because the difficulty is one order says Bhumi Swami, corporation says lease, and I am required to decide the question of question of compensation.
But
so either I would say that the civil court can also consider whether the BOR had any jurisdiction to pass such an order by thereby conferring the rights of Bhumi Swami. I can keep that question open. No difficulty. But that will not be affirmed by me or that will not be relied upon by me unless until I get satisfied that the Board of Revenue had a jurisdiction.
But may I just
because as I know, MPLRC deals with the agricultural lands, and the conferral of Bhumi Swami right is in respect of agricultural lands.
There are very many instances which I have dealt with, Milots, with a very limited knowledge. Because when you file a petition and seek a relief before the Honorable High Court, Milots, the first thing that you are supposed to focus on predominantly that you will have to concentrate on, and that is the under which law that you are actually filing this petition, Milots. So I was only focusing on the fair compensation.
No, sir.
I did not have this query which my lord.
That's why I said, because this question has cropped up for the first time. You might not have prepared the case from that angle. And if you ask for some time, I don't have any objection.
I would, but I have an answer to that as well. But I would not contend today.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Then I would come back.
Had it been a case that it was already the subject matter, and if you say, sir, I had not seen, then I would have refused adjournment.
Please.
But this question has popped up for the first time. That whether BOR had jurisdiction in respect of a land which was given to you for establishing a factory. So, yes, it is my